$1,000. That's an awful lot for a chair. So I'm here to judge it, this Odinlake 03 ergonomic butterfly chair. So we're gonna see if this thing's worth its money or not. We just reviewed a $500 chair and it had quite a lot of features, so this thing better be double as good. That's all I gotta say. Or she is my chair done. Full credits. It's a little hard on the edges, but it's like a very small range. Like real soft all the way up to right here. You have to have a real wide booty. And then there's like padding up here in the front too to kind of help with that plastic piece or whatever they have underneath here. They have a little piece of padding. Nice little touch. Dang, dude, this thing's kind of fancy. Shoo, what is this? Oh, dude, is this the instructions and stuff? Hold up. Little small. Bro, look at the hardware that it comes with. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screws and an Allen wrench. That is insane. There's no way. That's the instruction manual. That's crazy. It literally just snapped together. So you don't even have to like hold it in place while you're screwing it. It literally just sits there. It's done. There you go. Here's your chair. See ya. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah. I think you can just lock it in place like this. That way, yeah, see? That way you won't accidentally adjust it. But I guess you only do that if like you're the only one that uses the chair. Anyway, so that's the footrest. It's finally together. I may or may not have struggled, but eventually we get there. There's like a little thing right here that you can just like push and then scoot it in and get it out of the way. The armrests have like a wire control mechanism. As you can see like down here, there's a cable, kind of like a bike tire. There's cables here that kind of run from one place to the other, like that act as controls. And then it runs up here so that when you go to hit this little thing, it controls something down here. So you can just, and it's all just a little, all controlled from a little cable that runs from here all the way back here. Yeah, so they have like the butterfly split backrest, which I think is really cool. It's got a nice, smooth, reflective finish. I really like the look of it, and you can kind of feel, I mean, I guess you can't really feel it in the chair, but it looks really cool, and it provides nice little support for the back. They also have like a clothes hanger on the back. This is a little clothes hanger. It just came, I didn't have to put it together or anything to hang something on there. But I also like this because I have to move chairs around this room a lot because the room's really small. So when I go to move this chair around, I can literally just grab it like this and just like move it around. It's actually super handy. All right, no cap. It's got all my stuff from work in it. This is my work backpack. I'm just gonna. When it comes to like the back seat, they have this like weird like little 2-panel design. Basically, the thought behind it is that this like separating your back can kind of help relieve some of the pressure from the lumbar area. And it also kind of forces you to sit. For some reason, it kind of forces you to sit in like an upright position, and that's also really good for ergonomics or people that aren't very good at sitting up straight like me. So that's the idea behind the split back design, in case you're wondering like, oh, that looks kind of goofy. Well, now you know there's a little bit of science behind it. It's got 5 adjustable height settings. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, boy. You know, like I said, I'm a tall boy, but even the tallest setting was like way too high up my back, so. Okay, so for the lumbar support, it doesn't like go up or down. It's like it's locked together with the back, right? It's meant to follow your back no matter what. And I was like, well, how do you do that? It looks like what they did was they kind of added like a rubber bushing in here and then like one in here so that it can move around like a lot. And I've seen this technology before. You know where I've seen this technology? In skateboards. Skateboard trucks have these. So that when you like move left to right on the skateboard, it'll do it at once. That's clever. They got some clever engineers over there. That's really funny. And then you can move your seat back and forth. I guess this They said it's necessary, this like adjustment to have on a chair in order to get proper lumbar support. Because if your back, you know, obviously some people's backs are different. So if your back's sitting like this, some people would be way more comfortable. Like up there, you know, it's kind of hard to do it because my butt's not sitting on it, but you get the idea. You could just engage the back by doing this, so you go 90 to 135 degrees. And also the armrests move along with the chair. Instead of having to reach down here to do it, just whoosh, whoosh. Okay, so it has 3D armrests, so you can go left and right, and you can go up and down. 3 different settings. Well, that went nice. Okay. And then you have a 2D headrest. That means it can go up and back down, and this way, and this way. Alright, overall, I'd say this is a dang good chair. It's definitely worth $1,000. I mean, here's the thing about chairs, is that you could spend $200, $300, $400 on like a chair from Walmart, and it might last you 6 months before one of the mechanisms in it breaks, or you know, it just stops working for one reason or another. The leather starts to peel on the armrest or something. So when you want to spend $1,000, you want something that's going to last a really long time. So I think this is a pretty good contender. I'll keep you guys updated on the status of the chair. But I mean, I don't see any reason why it would break down. It seems like a very, very durable, high quality, well built chair. I feel like I could beat the crap out of this chair, and it would take it with a smile on its face. I really love this thing, man. I mean, there's really nothing more you could ask for from a chair besides, like, I don't know, to get you a beer. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. It's really nice. And I love the design on the back. Like, it's really clean. Anyways, Odinlake, you done good. You got some really good quality people over there definitely building chairs. Even putting it together, it was like the easiest thing in the entire world to assemble. There's a lot of thought and effort and work put into the chair, definitely. I'll leave the link for it in the description down below. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Bye-bye.